All right, welcome back. It's Dr. Monte with Geek Rehab. I want to show you a tape job to help with lateral gliding of the patella. All right, that's when the patella kind of tracks out to the outside of the leg when you contract your quadriceps. Oftentimes that's caused from tightness of the outside muscles, the lateral muscles, the quadriceps, the IT band, which throws some fibers off to the kneecap and pulls it out. So there's definitely some stretches that we can show you later on going over that to assist with that. But for taping technique to help combat that 24/7, as long as you have the tape on, this is it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Doug bring his leg out and rest it in this position like that. Okay, so the kneecap's kind of loose. All right, you move that around, and we want to tape it, pulling it this way. And so I'm going to pull it down the middle. Okay, I round the edges off, as you can see. All right, and try not to cut or try not to touch the tape. So you can see where the kneecap is, and we're trying to go off the outside edge and pull it towards the inside. Now I make contact, and then I'm going to put down the bottom part, and I'm putting in there about 50 to 75% tension to really give a good mechanical correction to that kneecap. And then the last part, though, you put down without any tension because you don't want to cause any blisters. And here we got a little bit of puckering over here of the skin. That means the kneecap's really getting pushed over there. So that helps to basically get that kneecap to track over there. And you can do the same thing from the inside if it's tracking medially, but 90+% of people that I know that have issues track laterally. So this is the one that we use to help out with that. So there you have it.